if you're buying or selling a home, you know you need to be calling those Callaways, and we have those Callaways with Callaway Realty, and we have Joe Coleman, and I love it. You always have amazing homes to tell us about, so tell us what's going on.
Yeah, we have a spectacular property set on just about an acre, and it is a beautiful, beautiful lot. It's got mountain views, dual RV access for all the toys, RVs, everything like that.
Nice.
It's got a wonderful backyard. It's actually got a heated and air-conditioned pool for the hot summers. You can actually drop the temperature, which is a wonderful thing. Otherwise, it's like a hot tub all summer.
Exactly.
It's got a detached guest house with a kitchenette and a bedroom and a 3-car garage on the guest house, which is a pull-through garage, so it's great for hobbyists, really anything. And you know, in-laws coming to live, out-of-town guests, anybody. It's just perfect. It's detached but close enough to the property.
Okay.
And then the main property itself, over 2,500 square feet of remodeled property. It's a beautiful home, open floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's also got an attached 2-car garage. It's really just a property that you have to take in and sort of soak in. It's in North Phoenix, and it's just, you just feel like you're in paradise out there.
I was going to say, the list just keeps going and going and going. So what's the price for something like this?
It's $995. And it's really something you have to come, like I said, see to believe all what it has, because it's got like an owned solar system, which is wonderful out there, fully automated landscaping. I mean, it's just, they thought of everything when they were redoing this one. And it's going to be open today 1 to 4. And so stop on by. Our agent there would love to see you. Yeah,
it sounds gorgeous. So they definitely need to check it out. And I know no matter what, if this isn't the house for them, you are going to hook them up with their dream home.
Yep, absolutely. Give us a call whether you're looking to buy or sell valley-wide.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.